How to enable the floating shutter button on your Android camera. This tutorial shows you how to add a movable shutter button anywhere on your screen. First, open the camera app on your Android device. After that, tap the menu icon at the bottom, the one that looks like four dots forming a square. From there, select Settings from the options that appear. At this point, once you're inside camera settings, scroll all the way down and find the General section. In the next step, tap on Shooting Methods, right under it. Following this, look for the floating shutter button toggle and tap it to turn it on. Once done, go back to the main camera screen and you'll see an extra shutter button now appearing on your screen. From here, press and hold it and drag it to wherever you want it to sit on the screen. Finally, this is especially useful when you can't comfortably reach the main shutter button. Just move the floating one to a spot on the screen that's easier for you to reach and take your photos from there. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.